na kita mahal. Mga salitang sinabi ko para iwan mo na ako. Mga salitang sinabi ko para unahin mo ang pangarap mo. Mga salitang simbolo ng walang hanggang pagmamahal ko. Titiisin kong masaktan at masaktan ka para sa magandang kinabukasan na naghihintay sa'yo. Ayokong maging makasarili. Sabihin sa iyong dito ka lang kahit pareho tayong hikahos basta magkasama. Ayokong maging hadlang sa natitirang pag-asa ng mga magulang mo at ng buo mong pamilya. Di na kita mahal. Kasinungalingang kaya kong panindigan kung ang kapalit ay matagumpay mong kinabukasan. Ako si Celine, nagparaya para sa kanya. Sabi nga nila, my love, sometimes the best way to show someone just how much you love them is to set them free. If you know that their lives will be better without you in it. Though it's a bit selfish kasi you made a decision in behalf of your partner. Hindi nyo pinag-usapan, nag-decide ka on your own. But it is with great intention. Kasi minsan hindi mo na naman kailangan ng confirmation eh. May mga pagkakataon talaga sa buhay natin na we just know na we are not for this person. Na even if we try, even if bigyan natin ng effort, that person deserves better than what we can offer. And the sooner we realize that, siguro, mas ma-minimize natin yung sakit na mararamdaman natin. Though sasabihin ng iba, sige, you can convince yourself na ginawa mo to para sa partner mo, but no. Nag-decide ka on your own, nasaktan kayo pareho para sa wala. They can say whatever they want, but you know why you did what you have to do. And in this case, it's career over love. For some, sasabihin nila, piliin mo yung love. That's the noble thing to do. O, diba? Parang yun yung pinaka-romantic. Gawin mo kung ano yung nasa puso mo. But bilang taong nagmamahal, you would want nothing but the best life for the partner. O, diba? For the one you love, for the man of your life. At kung alam mong hindi mo yun kaya ibigay, alam mo sa sarili mo na mahahadlangan mo yung possibility na makamit niya yung pangarap niya. Because you know well in fact na pipiliin ka niya kasi mahal ka niya eh. This is how you show that person that you love them. Even if hindi nila malaman yung totoo. Even if ikaw lang yung nakakaalam ng sacrifice. You would do it. Kasi kahit pa gaano mo kagusto na makasama siya para maging masaya, mas mahalaga sa'yo, mas may timbang sa'yo yung kinabukasan niya, ng pamilya niya. Kasi you don't want to wake up one day na makikita mo siyang may regret sa mukha niya. Kasi hindi niya nakamit yung pangarap niya. Dahil hindi niya naabot yung gusto niyang maabot. Dahil nung moment na meron siyang opportunity, ikaw yung pinili niya. So you don't want to live with that regret. So even if it hurts, even if it pains you to let that person go, you become the bigger person. You sacrifice. Even if sometimes you just have to lie. My love, yung ganitong klaseng pagmamahal, not everybody can understand a sacrifice like this. Kasi sobra niyang mature. Siguro nga, Yung circumstances in life, yung hirap ng buhay, sometimes pushes us to be wiser beyond our years. Alam mo yung tipong, ang edad mo ito lang, pero yung utak mo mas mature. Yung utak mo pang 60 years old. Sometimes life can do that to you eh. Kasi it's difficult. So natututo kang mag-isip na para bang laging kinabukasan mo yung nakasaalang-alang sa desisyon na gagawin mo. And when you are in a relationship and you know you don't have the luxury in life na enjoyin lang yung romantic phase ng relationship. If you know na merong pamilyang aasa sa inyong dalawa, sometimes you have to be wiser. And most of the time, ang nasa-sacrifice talaga natin ay yung nararamdaman natin. Because it will all boil down sa katotohanan hindi natin nakakain yung pagmamahal. As much as we'd love to think that way, hindi mo mapambibili ng mga pangangailangan mo ang pagmamahal. So sometimes you just have to make that sacrifice. Even if it's not for you, but if it's for someone you love, I'm sure in a heartbeat, gagawin mo yung sakripisyong yun. And Celine, he is so lucky to have you in his life. He is so lucky that someone like you loved him that much para i-value yung hindi niya binavalue sa buhay niya, which is yung future niya. He may never understand kung bakit ka nakipag-break sa kanya. He may never get it as to why you had to let him go. He may never know the reason behind sa mga katagang di na kita mahal. But one day, someone will walk into your life. Maybe siya din yun in the future. And will thank you for the kind of love you give and for how you love a person. At sana sa sacrifice mong to magbunga siya. Sana bigyan kayo ng blessed life. Not only him na is going after his future or yung career niya, but ikaw din. Sana sa paglisan niya, mabigyan ka rin ng opportunity because you deserve it, love. I wish nothing but the best for the both of you. And I hope one day magtagpo uli yung landas ninyong dalawa. At pareho nyo talagang marip yung fruit of the love you have for each other. Even after the years you've been away from one another. At ikaw, kabisyo, sana sa storya ni Celine at ng lalaking pinakawalan niya. Kahit pa sa mga katagang or kasinungalingang di na kita mahal. Sana yung ganitong klaseng sakripisyo ng pagmamahal teaches you what love should really mean in a relationship. Kung gaano katindi magmahal ng isang tao. The responsibilities that comes along with it. The commitment na kailangan mong panindigan once you tell someone na mahal nyo sila and you want to be in a relationship with them. This is what you mean by it. You make difficult choices in difficult situations. Hindi man laging favorable sa'yo. Hindi man laging magpapasaya o magpapagaan ang pakiramdam mo. But if it's for the best, or a better shot at life para sa taong sinasabi mong quote-unquote mahal mo, you will learn the art of sacrifice.